Okay, this is going to be our first attempt at printing a copper meander using 1.7mm copper OD copper wire at 30,000 RPM at a 15mm per minute surface feed rate. We're doing 2 meander bumps, 3mm wide each, from outside edge to outside edge, roughly. And we're using our new understanding of constant X feed, Z feed ratio to try and get a consistent meander. So without further ado, I'm going to move into position, start up the spindle, and start printing. Contact. That was not as planned. You are.